kanot shilong ba Adelbert nongrum negasngi ba keren kinong tok kubor halor ki kubor hamsaya ba un penesono eladi bat ke NPP lani bat ke BJP ulaong ba nagaleng gujong umpat kwa ban peneso bat ke wei bat ki seng san perthei hanrei udang dei be chi dkhot pura jong ka seng Voice of the People Party namar khen bau dei we mali bla sha sospon namar ka jing sospon ka VPP ya u kamlong ka ba shai ulaong ru ba skawi la dia ba udai wemli malaysia sospon namar wat ulampang yung darbar tawan ru udang nyau yu kumbut khot bapura jong ka VPP shu ulaong ru ba hagi por ba uba pol lengdo umi na ka khnam kalami ka khubor ram saya ba un penesono bat ki wei ki political party reina kaleng ka jong uyai ne bat uyai sa bat ka khnam ulaong ru ba na kaleng jong ulodon ka ta jing tmu ban le ching bishar ban pan jing shai ha bai dei bat ka sithi sa sospon hanrei yakani umpar rai satia la un lek ne em sha ka ying bishar ulaong ru ba un yai ap ya kapor bat kapor kan sabatai
smiling in fact because this such a situation I had passing through at the time when our leader who had formed Nam was respected Bapo Lindo. At that time when he abolished Nam, everyone expected me to join Congress or to join BJP. But the same as today, so that's a time will decide everything because I believe always in time. I mean on the time. As time is a great healer, time is correct to take any decision.
But there are also reports that there's a move from your part that you are planning to join BJP, not NPP.
No, in fact, I don't have any problem. I don't know why, how such a question arises, because I'm still a full-fledged member of the VPP. No, so now, in fact, 2 months away. 2 months back, I had some kind of thought that I may go to the court to get a clarification on this suspension letter, which they had suspended me, and till now I'm not taking myself as a suspended MLA. I just feel that the way that they suspended me, it was very suspense. It was very suspense. That's time decide. And I don't really understand why they have to take such a decision without appealing me or without requesting me to come forward to sit and have a talk. Why such a situation arises? So myself, I don't really accept this suspension. As the Honorable Speaker of the Assembly also had already spelled out that I'm still being as a full-fledged member of the VPP.
So any update from the court if you said...
Let's say decide regarding this also, whether I need to go to a court or not.